Hello, this is Sue, and we are going to talk about day number 5 here. Day number 5 is the bath salts or the foot soak with Panaway oil. And here is the Panaway oil. It's an amazing oil that comes in the starter kit. So some of you might already have your Panaway already pre-mixed in your bag like I did, and it will say Panaway foot soak bath salts on it. Otherwise, for the ones that did not mix it, you will find a tiny little bottle in with your organza bag labeled day 5 with your Epsom salt or bath mix. There might be even extra like baking soda or something mixed in with yours. You might want to double check whoever gave your bag if you're concerned about it at all. But these typically will just have a quarter cup of Epsom salt, and then you just put a few drops of Panaway into your Epsom salt, shake it up really good, and then you find some kind of basin to do your foot soak in. So you can do like this is like 25 bucks from Walmart or Target or wherever, or you can just do a plain old like a metal bowl or a basin, square basin, whatever, like those dish soap pans, whatever you can find, and soak your feet. So you put lukewarm water in there, and then once you have your Panaway drops put into your Epsom salt, you dump it in, and you do 10 to 15 minutes. Sometimes you can do longer, but typically about 15 minutes is about the norm. And what does Panaway do for you? I'm sure that's what's going through your head right now. Like, why would I want to do a foot soak with Panaway? Well, number one, Panaway is an amazing oil that has wintergreen, helichrysum, clove, and peppermint. And the wintergreen and peppermint are really good driver oils and also amazing for helping support inflammation within the body. So as you put your feet in here, can you imagine what can happen, right? And helichrysum and clove have some other amazing good properties, but we won't get into that on this call, but they're really good for supporting cellular structure. So there you have it. So what is it good for? Panaway is really good for like if you get a sore neck when you're doing, projects bent over your computer, outside working in the garden, whether it's flowers or your vegetable garden or fruit, whatever, right? And then workouts, exercise, biking, hiking, outdoor activities, whatever it may be. Just about any time you move and you get sore muscles, right? Well, that's what this is good for. So Panaway is amazing for that. But we're gonna just do the foot soak for this DIY. So basically you take this whole package once the Panaway drops are put in there, and you put it in with your water and you soak your feet, like I said, for 10-15 minutes, and then come back and tell us how good your feet feel. We can't wait to hear how you like it. I use these foot soak basins so many times. Like anytime I'm out and about doing events that I'm standing on my feet all day, I soak my feet for 10-15 minutes, and when I take them out, they feel so refreshed, like I never stood on my feet all day long. So if you're one that loves high heels, this is a great little tip. And second little tip is just put a couple drops on your feet if you don't have time for foot soaks, and put them on before you put your high heels on, and tell us again how good your feet feel. Thanks for watching. See you soon.